My name is Sarah Plummer. I'm the Marketing Director for AddUp. AddUp is a global metal additive manufacturing OEM and service provider for both powder bed fusion and directed energy deposition technologies. Our company is headquartered in France, and the AddUp Solution Center here in Cincinnati is our first subsidiary outside of Europe. Aside from providing metal AM printing solutions for our customers, this space also serves as a demonstration facility for our additive technologies. For this reason, we wanted this space to be designed as a showcase of our brand. AddUp has worked with Graphic Village for several years now across a variety of projects, all the way from outdoor signage to printed brochures to trade show graphics. So they really were the partner that we needed and turned to bring our brand to life in this new facility. The team at Graphic Village was quick to help. They came to our facility several times after construction was complete to talk about creative solutions and ways that we could include and showcase our brand throughout the building. This space is something that we are truly proud of, and thanks to the help from Graphic Village, it's easy for our guests to see how passionate we are about what we do. Graphic Village did an excellent job printing and installing this project, and the result is a beautifully showcased space featuring our brand and a very welcoming environment for our customers.